be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in their sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another video. All right, just got this in today, so that's what's on the TV. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Complete Classic Series Collection. All right, you guys know I'm a big Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles fan. So I wanted to show you this. This is something I picked up at a Comic-Con in Dallas. The pizza pan with the quote from the first movie, "Pizza Dude's got 30 seconds." And then we got a Raphael toy. This was a keychain. And then another toy. I believe this glows in the dark. The size glow in the dark there. And then actual size. I've had these size for like 17 years now. Picked them up at the mall in Oklahoma City. Couldn't believe that they were there. So I just went ahead and grabbed them. You know, my name is Raphael. Not spelled like that, of course. But I had to buy them once I saw those. And then moving over this way, look at the sign. Dreams don't work unless you do. All right. But moving over here, I've showed these before. I did a whole review on these last year once I picked them up. You can go find that. But the Adidas Superstar Ninja Turtle shoes. I have worn these. Instead of putting them in the container, though, I just put them back up here. I'll put them back in their case because I think that looks pretty cool, like a toy. You know, you put the toy back in its box. So, but they have been worn. All right. So that brings us to today. So here we are with the latest pickups. All right, these are the Melo 4, or what are these? Let me look at the front. As you can see, the Melo Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles says "not from here." All right. And then on the side, you have Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, and Raphael down there with another Turtles logo and the Puma logo. Then on this side, you have just the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle logo, the Melo Ball logo there at the top, and then the Puma logo. All right, anything on that side says "not from here." Okay, but from there, these are the MB4 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles R&D, and the R&D stands for Raph and Donnie, Raphael and Donatello. All right, size 14 in these bad boys, and yeah. Also, as you can see, there's a second box. And these would be, you know, same thing, Melo 4. Same everything there. Not from here. Melo logo, Turtles. Same thing, the guys there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on the side. And then a sizing chart there on the bottom. All right. But these are the MB4 TMNT L&M, which is Leonardo and Michelangelo. All right. So we'll go ahead and check these out. All right. Let's go with the Raph and Donnie first. All right. Go ahead. There's no paper on the inside. As you can see here, it's just clear. You can see it's clear there, but there's no paper on the inside. So once you open it up, straight shoes. All right, but here they are. Oh, grab the wrong one. Let's put that back. Of course I'm just gonna go to that one, but left shoe first, baby. And this is the Donatello of the Melo MB4. All right. As you can see, the purple hits on the back, Melo there, and it has the bow for Donatello, his weapon. Let me get that a little bit closer. You can see the wooden bow right there on the back. And then the 1 of 1. All right. Then the laces are the green. There's nothing on the lace tips. Paper on the inside there. Brown inside. As you can see, it's purple with the turtle features there. We'll take the paper out. As you can see, completely on the insole there, it is Donatello all the way on the insole. Let's see if I can show you all that. Full Donatello picture all the way on the insole there, or on the inside. Does this come out? I don't want to destroy the shoe by trying to rip out the insole. Nah, the insole's in there. But let me try to unlace it so I can show that a little bit more, because I think that's pretty cool. On the inside, it's all Donatello. You can see the full body. It's like a full body picture, full body shot of them in there. All right. But then you go to the side, and then you got the bandana going down the side there, the purple bandana, all his colors to let you know this is all about Donnie. You got the D on the tongue, the tab on the tongue, and then also you have his mask with his eyeballs there. Once again, not from here at the bottom, not from here. And then you got the Melo logo there with the purple hits on the toe box area. I like how they did these, man. Originally, I was going to pass. There is the deal where if you buy all 4 of the shoes, because the original pair was the Baxter Stockman pair. Then there were, you know, these 2 versions of the turtle shoes. And there's a Krang pair, the pink Krang pair that you get. And if you buy all 4, then you unlock the Shredder pair for free. But I don't really like the villain pairs. I don't like the Baxter Stockman pair. I don't like the Krang pair. Honestly, I'm kind of not even that impressed with the Shredder pair. I would just have been buying those shoes as a fan of the series. So I said, I'm just going to get the turtle pairs. I don't need the other ones. On the front, it says, to be Melo is to be yourself. All right, to be Melo is to be yourself. On the bottom, you got the Melo 1, not from here again, and then the green and purple. All right. It's kind of crazy. I'm a Charlotte Hornets fan, but this is the first pair of Melo shoes that I have right here. Because I just never bought them. I don't know why. It wasn't like I didn't like the shoes. I thought they looked fine, but I just never bought any of them. So this is the first one that really spoke to me. We'll go ahead and put this one back and get into the one that I had to absolutely have, the Raphael. Of course, my favorite Ninja Turtle, 100% biased, 100% biased. But red bandana here. Once again, not from here. On the bottom there. Once again, here you have your, on the pull tab, you have your R for Raphael. Then you have the red bandana in his eyes. All right. Everything red going down here. Same laces. Green laces. I like the brown hits. I like the brown hits there. You take the paper out, same deal. It's Raph on the inside, and he's mean mugging. Man, I wish I could pull that out, but I don't want to damage these. But yeah, Raph on the inside there. All on the inside there. All right. Really nice. Really, really nice. On the back, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And then the Melo. Then you got the size here. Once again, 1 of 1. But the size. Yes, sir. And then on the bottom, same deal as the Donnie pair. Not from here. You got your 1. Oh, I didn't realize that was a spaceship that's spelling out. Oh, okay. So this is a spaceship here with the 1, and then the lights are flashing down that says the not from here. Okay. I didn't see the spaceship at first. That's pretty cool. If you are buying these to hoop, it does feel like they have good traction. I admittedly am not buying these. I might go shoot around in these, but I didn't specifically buy these to hoop. I bought these because I'm a Ninja Turtles fan. That's my era. That's my favorite cartoons. Those are my favorite superheroes. These are my guys. You know what I mean? Mainly this one. Mainly this guy. These are my guys. So I had to have these as a fan of the series. But they do feel like they have good traction. They do feel like they would have good grip on a court. So maybe I'll check that out and see how they perform. I'll put the paper back in there. All right. And then these did come with a code. If you were going to do the whole doing the whole thing, collecting all 4 pairs so that you can get the shredder pair, this is what that is. You peel this open, reveal your custom QR code to the landing page, and then that's your proof that, hey, I got all 4 pairs. Let me get my shredder pair up off you. All right. So that's what this is. Put that back. And let's get on to the next pair. Actually, I'm going to take these out. Let's get to the next pair. I'm going to take these out and put them over here. Yes, these are Ninja Turtle slippers. My mom bought me these. But get to the next pair. Left shoe first, baby. We got the Michelangelo pair. Ooh, that orange is hidden. That orange is hidden on this pair. Very nice. Once again, not from here. Melo logo. To be Melo is to be yourself. Once again, everything is the same. Spaceship, orange 1, not from here, orange bottom. It's pretty much the same across the board. You got your orange pull tab here, Mikey's eyes, his mask, and then you got the M there with the 1 of 1 underneath it. And then on this side, you got Mikey's bandana. I like the orange. I like the way that orange hits. Very nice, man. Especially up here where it has, the different kind of texture. Almost looks like a shell in the background. I like the way that orange hits there. And then, once again, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on the back. And then the Melo, but the nunchucks this time. You got the nunchucks there going across instead of the size or the bow. Pull the strings out. And then, take the paper. And once again, it's Mikey. Mikey is on this one. It's like super tight, but it's Mikey on the inside there. Donnie was kind of smiling, but Mikey looks a little angry in there, along with Raph. Raph was angry too. But that's these. What I think personally, how I would like to wear them is like this. I know it's not how the shoes came, right? But I think these 2 pairs go better together. I think the orange and the red the Mikey and the Raph go better together. You see what I'm saying? Are y'all seeing the vision that I'm seeing? I think these two pairs look better together than Raph and Donnie. Of course, you can't go, you know, Raph and Leonardo, or Mikey, and you can't do Mikey and Donnie because that's both left feet. All right. But I think that Mikey and Raph look better together than Mikey and Mikey and Leonardo and Raph and Donatello. I like the way the orange and the red look together. And that's another thing that I find cool, is that you can mix and match. All right, as I bring out the final pair, if I bring out the Leonardo, here's that Leonardo. Now, my favorite color is blue. We all know that. If you follow this channel, you know my favorite color is blue. But that's not my favorite Ninja Turtle. He's actually my second favorite Ninja Turtle. Leonardo is my second favorite of the Ninja Turtles, behind Raphael. But as you can see, blue bandana there, hit of white on there, and then you got the his blades there on the back. All right, the Melo Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles there, 1 of 1. Those are more so his weapons. The ones that you have the 1 of 1s on, that's all Leo's weapons there. Once again, not from here. The blue bandana for Leo, the L for Leonardo there, and then the blue, everything is same spaceship. The 1, not from here, flashing down. The blue hits coming up. All around nice sneaker, man. Very nice sneaker. And then just as I did for the others, let's check out, oh, the inside. Is Leo angry? Leo's got a smile on his. Leo is smiling on the inside there of his. I don't know why Mikey and Raph are so angry, but Leo and Donnie are smiling. So anyway, I also think that these two pairs look better together. I think the purple and the blue look better together. Like if I were to go to the gym, I feel like I would wear these two together, and then I would wear these two together. I think that looks better. Not that they should have made the packs this way. I like the way that they did it, but I do like that I have the option to go red and orange, and then the blue and purple. I think those look better. I think the options look better like that, instead of it having to be like this, because this is how it came. It came like this, even though that's not bad either. That's not bad either. But overall, I think I like it with the orange and the red and the purple and blue together. All right. But I don't want to go too long. I just wanted to show you all these and show that they are in-house, and I like them. I like them a lot. This is the, fourth pair of Puma shoes that I have in here. I do have 2 pairs of the J. Cole Dreamers. I have the Super Mario J. Cole Dreamers, and then I have a black and yellow pair. So the 3rd and 4th pairs of Pumas in the collection, but these were definitely a must cop. Definitely a must cop, because I have to have Ninja Turtles. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.